Hi dear friend, I hope you will be fine, and I'm here with a new video and tell you how you use the Opus 4.8 free because if you can see on the official site of Cloud.ai, and here you don't have the access of Opus 4.8. Here is the use on the upgraded version, and if you click on it, then the pricing details are here, like free, pro and the max. In the free version you have only access of the Sonnet 4.6 and Haku 4.5. So if you want to use the Opus 4.8, then we can use, then I will tell you in some minutes. But if you can see the Claude Fable 5 is currently unavailable. You can see my previous video. I have discussed about why the US government banned this Fable 5 and Mathos 5. And if you didn't see this website, go to the tasklet.ai and sign up according to your platform. After sign up, you will see click on it, you will see the options like basic option Haku 4.5, Sonnet 4.6, Opus 4.6, and then Opus 4.6 Genius. And here are the all versions of Opus 4.8. Also here I have also selected this version. Just click on it. I have 298 credits remaining, but every 24 hours every day you will get the 300 credits and enjoy your credits. If you have low access, if you have minimum credits, then you can create another account and use another 300 credits from that account. So let's check it. Hi Opus, just enter and it's working. You can see, hi Deep, what can I help you with today? Okay, you can see here organization credits are 295, 3 credits are used, but if you can use with your task, then it will obviously help you, and you can check the functionalities of Opus 4.8 if you didn't check, or you can enjoy these credits and with the different accounts. Stay with us, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will come back with a new exciting video with a full project with creating by using the AI agent, and which will be the full stack mobile application. It will be deployable on the Apple Store and Play Store as well. So stay with us. Bye bye.